Are you thinking about selling your home? Well, congratulations on taking this next step in your life. Preparing your home before putting it on the market will help your home sell faster and for more money. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Olivia Monet, your local New York realtor. On this channel, I talk all things real estate and will be taking you on some luxury house tours. I release new real estate content every week, so if you want to stay informed, hit the subscribe and bell icon so you can be informed when new videos are released. So the first thing you want to consider to get your home ready to sell is curb appeal. You know that saying, you can't judge a book by its cover? Well, that doesn't apply in real estate because in real estate, first impressions are everything. Curb appeal gives home buyers their first impression of your home. An aesthetically pleasing and well-maintained exterior is going to give buyers a preview of what to expect on the inside. You want curb appeal to draw buyers in and leave them wanting more. Some simple ways to add curb appeal are by cutting your grass, trimming your hedges, adding flowers, adding a pop of color with a fresh coat of paint, giving your home a good pressure wash before putting it on the market. If you're feeling overwhelmed about taking on any of these tasks yourselves, you can always hire professionals. You can ask your neighbors or Google local painters, cleaners, contractors in your area that can help touch up the exterior and leave buyers wanting more. The next thing you want to consider to get your home ready to sell is lighting. Good lighting is going to enhance your home's features, create ambiance, and make your home feel more inviting. Bad lighting tends to make the space feel dated, gloomy. It's just not a good look. You want to increase the lighting in your home by opening the blinds, making sure your windows are clean and free of debris. You also want to change old light bulbs, and this is going to create better light in darker rooms. You just want to light it up. Just make your home feel bright, airy, and inviting. Set the tone and change the mood of the person viewing the home when there's just good quality light in the space. So now let's talk about your kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home. It's the room that homeowners and their families spend a lot of time in. So it goes without saying that you should pay particular attention to this room when preparing your home to sell. Remodeling your kitchen will increase the sale value of your home and will help your home sell faster and for more money. And you don't have to do a full remodel. You can update your kitchen by painting the cabinets, changing the hardware, refacing the countertops, maybe changing the backsplash. There are a bunch of little projects you can do that are gonna make your kitchen feel more updated. It's also been said that if you put one high-end appliance in your kitchen, it'll make it seem as if all the appliances are high-end. So now let's talk about home staging. Home staging is designed to showcase your home's best features, impress buyers, and make your home sell faster. Staging is a great way to make your home feel fresh and inviting without breaking the bank. You want your home to feel as open, neutral, and inviting as possible. And home staging is going to help potential home buyers visualize themselves living in the space. So with home staging, you're trying to get home buyers to feel some type of emotional connection to your home, and it's hard to achieve this with an empty house or a house that is lacking those little touches and just bits of character that home staging will bring. Some simple ways to add some staging to your house is by adding a fresh coat of neutral paint, adding some artwork. You don't want to go OTT because your staging and your style may not necessarily resonate with potential buyers, but you definitely want to do something to stage your home just to make it feel more homey, more inviting. And you also want to depersonalize as much as possible by removing family photos, removing your grandma's vintage doll collection, because too many of these personalized items makes it harder for our home buyers to envision themselves in the space. So bottom line, you want to stage your home, and the best part of it is that most sellers don't stage, so it'll give you an advantage. So now let's talk about home repairs. You know those repairs that you've been saying that you're going to get to next week or next month, and before you know it, it's 5 years later and they're still not done? Well, guess what? Now's the time to get those pesky repairs taken care of. Most home buyers want a home that's move-in ready, and a long list of repairs may scare off potential buyers. So you want to get to that leaky faucet, you want to change that loose floorboard, patch up that hole in the wall. These things are going to go a long way with your buyers, and it'll save you some headache during the home inspection. So bottom line, get these repairs done before putting your home on the market. And if you're not particularly handy, that's fine. There are professionals that do this for a living. So get those repairs taken care of before putting your home on the market. Now let's talk about the cleanliness of your home. I'm one of those people that can't think straight if the environment I'm in is a mess, and you don't want potential buyers to feel this way about your home. You want to give your home a deep cleaning from top to bottom and clear out any unnecessary clutter that's in the home. You want to wipe down commonly touched surfaces such as door handles and light switches, and any unnecessary clutter you want to rent out a storage unit and store it away or get rid of it. You don't want it in the home. Too much clutter is going to make potential buyers think that there's not enough storage in your home to hide this stuff, and it'll also make the space feel smaller. So get rid of all that unnecessary clutter. Hire a professional cleaner if you're too bougie to do this yourself. There are professional cleaners out there. They're relatively inexpensive. Get it done. Get your home looking spick and span before you put it on the market. So now that you have your home looking its absolute best, it's time to find a good listing agent to help get your home sold. Selling a home is hard work, and your listing agent is going to help take most of this burden off of you. They're going to answer the many questions you have about selling your home. They're going to help determine your home's value, your home's worth, and help you navigate the extensive amounts of paperwork involved in selling your home. They're also going to help you understand the financial ramifications of selling. So bottom line, you want to get yourself a good listing agent. They're also going to take professional photos, videos, and other marketing material that will help get your home seen by more buyers and buyers agents. And they'll also have a network of professionals that are going to be helpful to you in this home selling process, such as attorneys, contractors, and so on. Before selecting an agent to list your home, you want to interview a handful of agents to see who's going to be the best fit for you and your needs. All agents are different. We have different personalities. So you want to choose someone that you get along with because you're going to be spending a lot of time together. You want to choose somebody that has the expertise of the local housing market. Your listing agent is a part of your team. They're going to take the burden off of you. You're going to lean on them, and you both have the same goal in mind. You both want to get the home sold. So you want to really be selective when you choose the agent to represent you, and know that they are going to help you during this process, and they're your best bet to get the home sold, and sold at a price that you're happy with. And if you're in the New York area, you can always consider interviewing me. So that concludes my seller's checklist. I really hope you found this helpful and that it gave you some good ideas to help prepare your home and get it ready to sell. You can find a printable version of this checklist as well as other helpful real estate resources in the description below. Please like and subscribe. It really helps get my content to more people, and hit the bell icon if you'd like to be notified when I release new real estate content. Until next time, thanks guys. Bye.